In Course Admin, in the Users tab, you can click on Course Groups. Here, you will be able to view and edit existing course groups, as well as create new groups. To create a new group, you can simply give your group a name. You can optionally add a group ID number, which is only used when matching the group against external systems. You can also add a group description. If the self-enrollment method has been enabled for your course, a group enrollment key can be set. Users will then have the opportunity to enter this key when they self-enroll into the course. This will add them to the associated course group. You also have the option to enable group messaging. This will allow the members of this course group to send group messages via the online messaging system. Finally, you can upload a group picture. When you then click on Save Changes, your group will be created and you can start adding group members. To do so, you can select the group and click on Add or Remove Users. Learners need to be enrolled into a course in order to be added to a course group. From the list of potential members, you can select the learners you would like to add to the group and click on Add. When you return to the Groups page, you will see these learners displayed as members of the course group. They will now be able to interact with course materials and other group members accordingly.